It's time now for Eyewitness News Call 12 for action. When you think of drug rehab, you probably think of narcotics like cocaine or heroin, but some different drugs are sending an exploding number of kids into treatment these days. And as Susan Hogan discovered in our investigation, it's leading to life-threatening addictions.
The rising pill addiction for teens, prescriptions for ADD and ADHD. We found many of those prescriptions are being passed out, sold, and abused.
Annie was introduced to ADHD medications when she was just 13 years old by a friend with a prescription.
I really liked the effect and how they made me feel, so I sought out my own prescriptions from doctors.
By the time she was in college, she was abusing the drugs daily, and she knew she needed help.
Significant weight loss, irritable moods. I started lying, being dishonest, and stealing.
Dr. Timothy Willens, director for the Center of Addiction Medicine at Massachusetts General Hospital, says an estimated 5 to 10% of young people are misusing or abusing ADHD medications.
If you're just popping them willy-nilly and you're using them in context to other substances, which is frequently occurring, that could be potentially dangerous.
Rehab centers say they're seeing an influx of patients addicted to the drugs.
It's huge. I have probably 100 clients, and over 80% of them have been addicted to Adderall since they were in grade school. It's an enormous rise from just 10 years ago.
Experts blame the fact that the drugs are easy to obtain and socially acceptable.
It's kind of the norm on college campuses, just like drinking is.
The DEA lists these prescription stimulants as Schedule II controlled substances, the same as cocaine and OxyContin.
It's similar to misusing any kind of amphetamine or speed or cocaine. And it's going to require abstinence from that. It's going to require recovery management skills, how to fight urges, how to fight cravings.
Experts point out, in addition to being harmful to your health and addictive, selling your ADHD prescription or even just giving it away to your friends is actually a felony offense, subject to serious penalties, including fines and jail time if convicted. And if you have a consumer problem,